friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we're going to start our first exercise in progression chapter. I'm very happy to see you again. So if you not yet subscribed, please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members. So our first question, what is that? In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progressions and why? So our first question is that one. So first one, the taxi fare after each kilometer, a taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 20 rupees, when the fare is 20 rupees for the first kilometer and rises by 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. So first one. So what is the cost for first kilometer? So 20 rupees for the first kilometer. So what is that? Price, fare for first kilometer will be equal to 20 rupees. For the first kilometer is 20 rupees. After every kilometer it will going to rise 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. So rise in fare. So rise in fare for each additional kilometer. So what you can write? Additional kilometer. So what is that? 8 rupees. So for the first kilometer we know that is 8. That is, let's going to take A1. First term is A1 is 20. Then what is A2? For the second kilometer, what is A2? For the second kilometer, 20 plus, what is the rise? 8 rupees, that is 28. Then A3 is what? A3 is what? For the previous one, 20 A2 plus, what you can write? 8. A2 plus 8. So what is the A2 here? So A2 will be equal to 28 plus 8. So what value you will get? 8 8 is 36. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus 2, 36. Then what is A4? A3 plus 8. So 36 plus 8. 8 plus 4, 8 plus 6 will be, that is 14. Then 1, 44. So what is the series now? So the series is what you can write? A1, A2, A3, A4. So this is, so A1 is 20, 28, 36, 44, and so on. So here the difference is same. So difference is A2 minus A1. So that is what you can, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. So we can take common difference, that is A2 minus A1. So A2 is equals to what? They only telling A2 is what? 36 and A1 is 28. So we will get it as 8. So the difference is same and series is going down. So for that it is what you can say, this is arithmetic progression. This is arithmetic AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Then what is our second one? So second one is the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So what is the, so vacuum cleaner is air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So at a time it cannot remove. So second one. So in the cylinder it's not removing same values or increasing one. There is nothing like that. So it is not a arithmetic progression. Not arithmetic progression AP. Why? Because vacuum cleaner, so constant removing is not there. Vacuum cleaner. So what is that? Vacuum cleaner or vacuum pump. So cleaner doesn't remove constant air from the cylinder. Constant air from the cylinder. Constant air from the cylinder. So it is not removing constant air from the cylinder. For that it is not arithmetic progression. Why? Because we don't know how much air can be removed, but 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. But they are not telling about how much it will going to remove every time. So that is the concept here. We need to concentrate how much air is removing by vacuum cleaner each and every time. That is not here. but they are given 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder, they are telling, but we don't know what is the removing capacity by vacuum cleaner. Third one, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 rupees per the first meter and rises by 50 for each subsequent meters. So cost of digging the well. So third one, cost of digging well for the first meter. So for first meter, what is that? 150 rupees. So 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. So for the 50 rupees, what you can write it here is cost for each meter, after first meter. After first meter, that is how much it is increasing? 50 rupees is increasing every time, that is 50 rupees. 50 rupees. Then what you can say here? 50 rupees. Now, what is the first meter? So A1 first meter cost is 150. Then what is A2? A1 for the first meter, what is the increasing? 150. That is A1 is 150 plus 50. What value will get? 200. Then what is A3? That is previous one, A2 plus 50. So for the every meter, after digging one meter, it is going to increasing 50 rupees, 50 rupees, 50 rupees for the previous one. So A2 is what? 200 plus 50. We will get it as 250. Then A4 is nothing but A3 plus 50. So 250 plus 50. We will get it as 300. So this is 300. So if you observe carefully here, the terms, the first term is A1, that is increasing for the 50 rupees by the second one. So second one is increasing 50 rupees from the first one. Third one is increasing 50 rupees from the second one. Like that it is you remove. So what is the common difference? That is A4 minus A3. A4 is 300 minus 250. We will get it as 50. Yes, common difference is same. For that, yes, it is, what is that? It is arithmetic progression, that is AP. So what is there? You can say this is there in a AP. Then what is fourth one? The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So 10,000 rupees is deposited at 8% per annum. So this is the case, deposited amount. So that is deposited amount A1, let's going to take A1, that is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. Rate of interest, what is the R? Rate of interest, compound interest, that is 8%. That is compound interest. Compound interest formula will be equal to, what is that? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So here n is the number of years. What is the extent one? So n will be for the first year A1, A2. So for the first one, let's going to calculate amount money deposited. So this is not A1. So this is, let's going to take, this is a principal for the first year amount, rate of interest for the first year A1, let's going to take it. P will be what? 10,000 into 1 plus rate of interest is 8 by 100 for the first one. N will be equal to 1. So 1 is for the first year. So this is the amount. So 10,000. So 10,000 into 100 plus 8 by 100. Then what value? 10,000 into 108 by 100. So here 100 will going to cancel. Then what value will get? 10,800. So what is that? 10,800 rupees. Then what is the second one? So A1, then A2 will be equal to, we don't know what is the increasing amount, difference we don't know. So for that we cannot write as, so let's go into A2 will be equal to A1 plus D. So A1 plus D actually. So we don't know what is the difference amount for the first year and second year. So for that we need to take A2 as from the A1 into what value we will get? So that is A1 into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So here for the second one, but here n is 1. So from the first year, what is the deposited amount? For that n will be equal to 1. So A2 will be equal to, So 10,800 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole power 1. So 10,800 into 108 by 100 as I shown here. So as I shown here, so 108 by 100, 100 will going to cancel. Then 108 into 108. So 11664. So this is the amount 11664. So this is the value for that. So A2 will be equal to what? 11664 rupees. Then what is A3? So A3 will be equal to A2, that is A2 into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, that is n is equals to 1. We know that one. Now A3 will be equal to 11664 into 1 plus 8 by 100, that is the value, then 11664 into 108 by 100. So this is the value for 11. So 2 zeros means here by 100 if you do means 116.64 into 108. So 12597. So what is the value? 12597 is the value, 12597. So let's going to take this one A3. A3 is 12597. So let's going to take the changes values. What is the first one? Initial amount. This is interest. Let's going to take 10,000. And what is the next one? 10,800. And what is the another one? 11664 and 12597. So these are the series values. So let's take it that one, A1, A2, A3, A4, whatever it is. So principal, then what we can take it. So what is the difference here? So what is the difference? So 10,800 minus 10,000, we will get it as 800. This is the difference. So we should get the same difference after doing that also. Same difference we need to get. So this one, then what is the next one? 11664 minus 10,800. So we will get it as difference is same or not. Difference. So 11664, 10,800. So 4, 6, 6, 8. So 8. Then here 0, 0. Then so 864. 864. So difference will be equal to, what is that? 864. So here only if you observe that values, this is the difference is not equal. So 800 is not equal to 864. Then this is not in AP. Not in AP arithmetic progression. This is not in a AP. So first what we done here, we are calculated compound interest for all the values from the first to last. So continuously we are calculating by initials ones. So difference is same. If it is the difference is same, then we can say arithmetic progression. Here difference is not same, for that it is not arithmetic progression. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.